we are on the CB500X. Gonna give this a shot with video and audio. Finally got myself a microphone. And we're testing to see just how bad the audio is. I've dialed in the settings a little bit, but I still don't know if this is entirely usable, so it's gonna be a shorter video. But figured I was going for a ride anyways, might want to check it out. Good wind going through the helmet. Going about 50 miles an hour. Let's see how this goes. I'm just gonna kind of keep going north till I hit something nice. Eventually we'll run into some nice scenery here. Right now it's just kind of metropolitan. Alright, cruise up behind this Dodge. It's a nice looking car. Alright, so my name's Dan. I'm riding on my CB500X today. It's my only bike, but it's a good bike. I like it. I'm a beginner rider, so it's nice. It's a reasonable amount of power for me. Not doing anything crazy. I probably should get out of that crack in the middle of the road, lest I turn this into a crash compilation. Alright. Just keep it going here. And we'll put on our signal here too. Kind of cruise through here. Get into our lane. That feels good. Bike flicks into corners real nice. I like that about it. And also it's pretty good on the suspension. I mean, it's still not, as good as some dirt bikes or anything, but it's good for a street bike for sure. I don't feel most of these bumps as much as I did on the Suzuki, just because those shocks were totally shot. The controls are pretty simple too. You got your high beam, low beam, got your horn, got your guy that's kind of coming out in the lane here. You got your turn signal, on-off switch, 4 ways, and start it. No crazy like rider modes or anything on this bike. It's pretty bog standard for the course here.